Slim pa sebi prebiasa acha akwa ne yesa no. Ye uhuru ni mo ansa no wadidi. Me se me di pictures ne be send uhu abeka se NDC for ya kromfo ampa. 2016 Malik Basintale entimen real school because ni fees were entimen tria. Nanka free SHS wo ha enka wo Malik Basintale enka ho son. Malik Basintale and
abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Edbagana nsult3d so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say by next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby home be from Mr. President ameje so. O text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so. Who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sir. Koye dey o baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the upper by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi wa John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ibu Idi. Ya many am for the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo Miyama the NS Assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say Amanya 7 no. That chintin ya manyesem nye print ya manyesem de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti that bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Slim pa sebi prebiasa acha akwa ne yesa no. Ye uhuru ni mo ansa no wadidi. Me se me di pictures ne be send uhu abeka se NDC for ya kromfo ampa. 2016 Malik Basintale entimen real school because ni fees were entimen tria. Nanka free SHS wo ha enka wo Malik Basintale enka ho son. Malik Basintale and di ya titi ko hotel oso oni ya titi akodade ate na ya titi side wo afọ na ya titi ni so odun so kete so minim. Ya titi ba ye MPP for no ordinary ni brabe so so near TV osole anu odi ate mi wa obi do akọ hotel mu akodun so agumpa so enti wo contract won sanka me ne o ka say ya promise ya titi say enke ya de ne be se ba bi ni jun so krobo nti up to now Malik Basintale ma get an appointment enti wo hwe de ekoso Ghana sesia na ho oman ni
of the republic eyetai Eya the fun crasism. I got them na no. All because me plead obi. Me please obi. Me ma obi anyanu ayi. Na John Dramani Mahama no on cho. The 4 years no aso wie. Obekọ na wo judge ne de. Obekọ so atena ho. Wo police ni wo so jani. Mo gum wani mu ase. Edinti de ne mo mebre no ye di mata mo ni animonyam no. Ni monyam asa. Ma ton mo ni monyam de ma chansen. Mo ye no guasiefo. We are guasiefo. No nyame katua ehwe mo bebre mo bobu fom aba mo bebre mo ne afira mo bebre adwem adwene be sai ansa na mo duru mo panin fie so awu nyame betua mo ka because eye pa bonisem na mo ye eye pa bonisem si eto o mayi mo ne ahuhuro di ye ho nto ye twa ye ho ye pa ye ho ye hu asene mu na ma ye ma adwene se mo de bekata mani na makoso di nsem fo ne mfre ni ma asem akua o de mo bi nto aso me pese me kasa bi the epitome of nipa wo yang no wo bush wo yang no ewo atechemu wo yang no wo enkran ni mu wo yang no wo duaso no ne monkey na ebo apam tanko wo na wo ne nantwi na num nsuo eho na wo yang wo at the point na wo num nantwi no fu eho na wo nya wo direct brain infusion no ehọ na wonya fiye
na sanka enye ndisi a enye ndisi mu de send there a friend is saying fake credential holders, fake PhD holders dey bebre, including emu professors. E ho na we be humu. O se won antete Ghana, won antete MPP for ye. O se aka se ye ka democracy, e bi no de democracy ani metwitwifom.
Dijon pastor ye na rap ya ma me wa na.
Winni
adwuma na aba na ma na me da me ni nku.
Winni no wo se sansema o ka ye ni nyina no. Winni ene wo se. Ene obi biara wo tena ni chen bia no. Ene na pia no won die no. Won na side we na fata won, including wo
pharmacy technicians and pharmacy.
Ena wo enye wo na wo gada won ko for the won call. Me friend is saying that's no. Eyo police installment ye nyim se nka eho na Ghana for uyi soldier aka eho na ya ho din nyina wo a wo de recollation ekoye se wo kwa declare wo akoye reconciliation wo matime declare na ma ho no. You mobilize your riffraffs, your good for nothing people, you let them there to go and disrupt the program awo ye wo ho nyinara. From day one till say what I say 1 year bill and today who catch and say will be a destructive democracy and it will be following and will be chasing and you, it is not your fault. When you're bonibia and your fault na Ghana na I full and could be to say wo say with the computer na NDC na afa say di nkwasi asemachi. Oh, that is aka and it is there. We will come after you. Sooner than later we will come after you, and definitely you will pay for it. You will face it. Now Sam George enkwada ni kan to nyoma o in terms of fena wa yiro ho a o pesika e de ahya oto e de akwa sponsor o manasa e de akwa na wakọ bribe wo na on etimi atwa nsem a wo kan de fa ho no on atwa so na ye wo fault unya hwe yes dear
Me da se me so kwa no si mama
yo ye be kwa election ye wie 2 years aka 2 years campaign time ye mo abu aye ho na mpanimfo ni nya do mo che because mama nche NDC appointees no am come ba bi na me sa maka ye bobo a unse bi na e cover bi midfielders ni defenders ba ko ni strikers ba ko obi aba Osam Jamfi nie Eduji nie Eriko Poku nie what ombo ni pa be 4-5 bia ministers omo perform better 5 or 6 on pe ne bo omudin wo wi aba CEO for no anu abo be 10 asa omo maka nyina e cover nkrofo asubeti maka che ose nkrofo bi ho ye de che nkrofo bi ho mugasa onim sa petroleum duduo na ho nyina petrol sale akichem bebre obi aba agise Eduji any combat dia aka na e ho po de petrol ni fa kase dia aka ho na niam na wo obi ani obi anhwe obi a position duduo aka nyina nkrofo de mo family and friends e no mote ho and ye gya wo mo some of the ministers ofre na won fa okọ a won fiu wo buku appointment wo do saa ne apon wotima timuge ba be cheta san nkrofo we hu won ene na ano ne America no NPP time only Sam Yawuku golden boy of NDC time and ne ye golden boy na Sam Jamfi wotima say only lottery say what the share NPP fu anu mo akra nyina ne obi a and na makofo obi for saboba cheponi aba oba be rent the die 60,000 plus a month and what team or me obi a onim obi a ukọ no obi anya fine what's evidence say we $100,000 plus dollars at the high that 1 year divide into 1 month
that's what baby.
That's what Trump baby. Baby, I know fee ban. A hoyo a day hand a $10,000 10,000
Tamale hotels are casino.
A day no hand a 10,000 cities for Tamale. Me pesa me boots out or buy an anti hotel was what I high die. And your man went pen the vessels of Sanya with no that's what the test no. Yeah, the test never ha. It wait. Yes, scandal be a man this money that Sandy way. You require moment to watch and tampan map amno.
You made us.
Damasi and I said, Bedano, and say, who can use a encrophobi bread, and not say, Michelle Sia College, we only 8. Me whom them around ho. Just Obiana for Biana as a proper, no chairman, and I'm telling you.
And to come on Friday.
Moon Pelm for Musha baby, and your crack confiscated car, and young fan come Jesus Christ. How better him.
Oyo medase.
Ubedamase. Akufo-Addo settle. Akufo-Addo settle Sia College. Etimi ma mu dan ni ade. Mu de mutimi mu nipa mfa.
Festival.
Fami 1 minute ka no no fa na.
1 minute bi anka.
Me 1 minute me se fama no fa.
Otima me no the time no use.
For one see for one
show man have one come man no see.
Ya kwa bronyo.
Me share I want them about second time because one day
for one see wo ho no.
Me no see no. Mon shafu soldiers. Mo ma mrante ma ba woni hu so mo ka party no. Ye kofa be o metima ko mo anim. Wo kire bi wo bo chowe obi age so. Me ne wo kasa nkrofa ye renovate o mo fie o mo isle go nyina me ni mo o me end this obi renovate the fie. Empa no that's what them proof ka wo mo asesa no. The fie wa two different types. Obi ato fie bu fie no. Asifu fresh so. Ya mo na pandra ko betima sa de no. Now they don't to be mwanipa. Baby out in wa wi anketen obi per 1,000 2,000 e dey anigate mun sati nipa bibi ni say no way me ma me ko amedi amafu ekese election ni duru a wo pa mo nto mo pa mo nyai
Oyo medase
damase sa na me
100 million Ghana cedis and farmer was a fan co training 1 million coders now and mebunu ne be register wie now would redirect you to Google. Sam George, where are the laptops? Where is the money? Because I do not want to believe that the Ghana today for their better about say what blow 10 million out of that can say what they are talking for supervisors or more supervisor the Google. Mr. Google near driving the honum and what talkers they are supervisors. You cannot tell me, Sam George, you cannot tell me say what the 10 million Ghana cedis in one talkers. And the supervisor, so almost supervisor, yeah. So 50 million now was spent on the so-called supervisors. No, who are the supervisors, Sam George? Where are the so-called laptops now? What the bill Ghana? Me say laptop no. Yeah, but now up so yeah, who did this? Sam George a quarter laptop abako. I 12,400. Sa laptop bi na obeto ye na wo so ana enso no. Da ba ko ye 12,400 Ghana cedis. That is how much I the bill ye. What if I would see you down comment social bisa me say, do have I got any proof? If I would see me, eja comment section bisa me say question.
I said Petro Abba for me. Abba no there, he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, Abba into me so who na ko fa wa there? What yes say? And I know asema na ka say Pulican Abba Abba ma enyama na eba from no
anya Abba no de.
Oh, unti dem yeken. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no muhia ama no muhia but nanka we my no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na omokan yes but this nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa my no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana abanu kreti another environment. But say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say he's also asking a legitimate there adentina sa niema we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no yen de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5 yes na so and never not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflationary rate no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi Addo, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?